display data from DataGridView to TextBox, comboBox, RadioButton, and DatatimePiker controls. Okay, this is the previous project CRUD tutorial form, and this is the data in the database table. Previous tutorial was CRUD operation using VB. This tutorial is how to display data from DataGridView to TextBox, comboBox, and RadioButton in VB.NET Windows Form application. Okay. First of all, select the grid view and go to the CellClick event. To get it, go to the property, select event, and then double click on CellClick event. Yes, this is the CellClick event. Now I'm going to write code to display data from DataGridView to TextBox, comboBox, RadioButton, and DatatimePiker control. So name selected row as DataGridView row. Selected row equal to DataGridView row, DataGridView 1. This is the name of the DataGridView. DataGridView 1 dot rows e dot row index. E dot row index means which row I will select. It will select the row index. Okay. Now let's check the control name. Control name is text product ID, and item name for text item name, design for text design, combo color, and DatetimePiker insert, radio allowed and radio not allowed. Okay, now text product ID, I will display product ID from the DataGridView to text product ID using CellClick event. Okay, text product dot text equal to selected row dot cell 0 dot value 0 is the column index. Let's check. The product ID is the 0 column index. So when I select, it's displaying product ID in the text product ID control. Okay. Now text item name dot text equal to selected row dot cell 1 is the column index, second column in the DataGridView. Text design dot text equal to selected row dot cell 2 is the third column index is 2, so cell 2 dot value. And color control name is combo color, and DatatimePiker control name is DatatimePiker insert. So combo color dot text equal to selected row dot cell 3 dot value, and DatatimePiker insert, yes, dot value equal to selected row dot cell, this is the column index 4, so 4 dot value. Okay, now declare a variable for warranty type, W type equal to selected row dot cell, column index is 5, so 5 dot value. If W type, I mean warranty type equal to allowed, that get from the DataGridView, column index 4 allowed. If W type equal to allowed, I mean warranty type equal to allowed, then the radio allowed will be checked. So radio allowed dot checked equal to true. Okay, now if not allowed, if warranty type W type equal to not allowed, then radio not allowed dot checked equal to true. Okay, let's debug. Oh, it's coming error. What's the error? Yes, let's check. Expression expected. Yes. Oh, radio allowed dot checked equal to true, and is wrong here, so remove the and word. Yes, now it's okay. Let's debug. Yes, now if I select 103, it displaying all the data from the DataGridView to control, as same as in the all row. Okay, you can see radio allowed, radio not allowed also working fine. Warranty type, if warranty type is allowed, radio allowed dot checked. If not allowed, radio allowed dot not allowed dot checked. Thanks for watching this tutorial.